order to color these with our oil pastel, we're going to use black and pink for the cow, pink and red for the pig, and yellow and orange for the chicken. But we're going to start with the black. So, on our cow, we can either do a black cow with white spots or a white cow with black spots. Now, no talking, but just by show of hands. Would you guys rather have a black cow with white spots or a white cow with black spots? Raise your hand if you want a black cow like this one with white spots. All right, that's what we're going to do. So, what we're going to do is color really carefully around the spots. And this oil pastel, ooh, people are talking. Jordan, can I see your bubble? So, we're going to color around our little spots and around our head. And oil pastel is kind of like crayon, but it's softer, which means if we press really hard, it's going to break it. So we have to just kind of press medium, and we're going to take our time and go really slowly around everything. And then if we see white that's not blended in, we can take our finger and kind of smooth it out with our finger.
How?
It kind of spreads because it's almost like paint. Honey, will you stop going through the bucket? Please sit down and eyes on the screen. You shouldn't be going through the bucket right now. So, we're going to carefully color around. I'm going to leave this white and just do the bottom of my foot. And I'm going to leave the head white. Do you guys see how the cow's head is white?
Yeah.
So it's only the body and the little bottom of the foot that gets colored in black.
Yep.
Then once you're done, let's pretend that I finished this, okay? Just pretend like I colored in the other half. Then we're going to move on to our pink nose.
Nose? Pink nose.
There we go. So then our cow would be done. Remember, we're pretending like I did the other half. Now, everyone's going to get a paper towel. In between animals, wipe your hand on the paper towel. I'm going to use a Kleenex right now. Oh, thank you. Yes. Will you hand me one, hon?
Thank you, Isma.
Thank you, Isma. So I'm wiping my finger so that it's clean for the next one. So now I move to the pig. Now, we've got a light color and a dark color. We're going to do the whole pig in light pink, and we're going to do the nose. Jordan, can you please sit up? If you want to use these, you need to be watching. So we're going to do the whole pig in this light pink. But then we're going to do the nose and the feet and the ears in red. No, we don't want red eyes. That would be scary.
Why?
That would be kind of scary, wouldn't it?
I like that. I like scary.
We're going to do a...
I want red eyes.
Oh,
Red nose.
can I see bubbles?
Like a reindeer.
Okay, don't forget, you guys, we're recording. I need you guys to have your bubbles. We're doing a red nose like a reindeer and red ears.
Like reindeer? No. Like a Rudolph?
I need bubbles. Adio, can you please stay in your seat?
Okay.
Now,
It's not.
stop. Should we be touching the screen? No. That's your warning. All right. So, we're going to pretend like I've colored the other half of this as well. I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to rub it smooth.
And then it comes on your face.
Now, if I want to make this more of a pink, the red, I can color the light pink over the red to kind of make it a dark pink instead of red, if that makes sense.
Is that-
Now it looks more pink than red.
Can we see it?
Okay, so that's how we're going to color the second one. And the third one is yellow and orange. So again, I'm going to take my paper towel and wipe my finger
Like your finger.
so that I don't get it all over this one. And I'm going to do the body, what color?
Yellow.
Yellow. And the,
Hands are orange in hair.
yes. So first we're going to color yellow. Hold on one second. First we're going to do yellow. And I'm only going to do half just like the other ones. And then I'm going to take my orange and color the wings orange and the nose orange and the feet orange and the little hair orange, okay? So, and I'm going to use my finger to spread it. So that's how we're going to color it.